Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful freehand and nail dot nail design. So I already painted my nails with sheer pink polish, and using my nail brush I'm going to draw 3 wavy lines. Now I wanted to show you that I do have nail brushes. I'm obsessed with the stripers, but I wanted to show you that this is a really easy nail design to do, and I wanted to use this brush. It's just really perfect for this design because it's really thin, and you can do thin or if you want thick lines. So if you want, you can use a brush or the nail striper. It's up to you. And I'm using regular white nail polish. You can use acrylic paint, but I wanted to show you, like I said, a really simple and easy nail design to do. This is a perfect design for springtime. Then on top of the lines, I'm just going to add some big dots. Now you can add whatever size dots you want to, but I want to be able to see the colors in the dots. So that's why I put big dots on the design. And I wanted to do this because it's springtime, and this is just a pretty springtime nail look. I just love the finished look of it. And as you can see, I'm just going to add, like I said, pastel colors. So I'm using green, pink, lavender, and blue. But you can use any colors that you want. As many colors as you want. You can go crazy and do a whole rainbow of colors. This is the perfect design for it. Now take your time doing it. And like I said, add as many colors as you want. You can even add dots in between the design. I didn't do that though. I just wanted to be really simple and easy. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this design as much as I did. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.